Hey everyone! Big news just came out about Apple's 5G modem plans, and it's a huge surprise for iPhone fans. Apple has been working on its own 5G modem chip for a long time, and now they're finally making a big move away from Qualcomm. Apple's new C1 5G modem just showed up in an official image, and it marks Apple's first step into the 5G modem world. The new iPhone 16e is the first iPhone to use Apple's own modem instead of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 5G modem, which was in previous models. But this is only the beginning. Apple is expected to use the C1 5G chip in next year's iPhone 17 Air 2, making it super thin while keeping strong connectivity. However, there's a bit of a downside. Apple's C1 modem doesn't support mmWave technology. mmWave is the super fast 5G signal that offers super quick download speeds. But honestly, most people don't use mmWave because it's not available in many places. Apple's modem still supports sub 6 GHz 5G, which is what most people need and use. Here's where things get interesting. Apple expert Ming-Chi Kuo says that most of the iPhone 17 models will still use Qualcomm's modem. But there's a new report from the information that says Apple might use a 5G modem made by MediaTek for other models in the iPhone 17 lineup. If true, this would be a big change because MediaTek has never provided cellular modems for iPhones before. Apple wants to make its own modem not just to control its hardware, but also to save money by not needing Qualcomm's technology. They want to fully switch to their own modems in the future, and Apple has even bigger plans. They might use the C1 modem in at least one iPad next year, expanding its use in other Apple products. Looking forward to 2026, Apple plans to launch a new version of the C1 modem that will support mmWave technology. This would mean faster internet speeds and better connectivity. The upgraded modem will also support advanced features like carrier aggregation, which combines different network bands to make internet connections even faster. Apple is serious about making the C1 a top quality modem. They've tested it with 180 mobile carriers in 55 countries. Their goal is to match or even beat Qualcomm's Snapdragon modems in performance. But Apple's plans don't stop there. They want the C1 modem to be a major part of their 20th anniversary iPhone in 2027. By then, they hope it will not only beat Qualcomm's speed, but also bring smart features with AI and maybe even connect to satellite networks. This could help people send messages or make calls even when there's no regular cell signal, great for emergencies or remote places. Apple is also thinking about combining the C1 modem with their main processor. This would make a powerful chip that boosts both performance and battery life. Apple's A-series and M-series chips are already highly regarded, so this could give them an even bigger advantage. The company's senior VP of Hardware Technologies, Johnny Sruji, said that the C1 is the most complex technology Apple has ever made. That's a big statement from a company known for innovation. In short, Apple is making big changes. The iPhone 16 is the start. The iPhone 17 Air will follow next year. Apple's rumored plan to use MediaTek modems in other iPhone 17 models shows they are serious about breaking away from Qualcomm. And by 2026, Apple's own modem could be in all iPhone models. If Apple's plans go well, it could save money by not paying Qualcomm's fees. Maybe, just maybe, this could lead to lower iPhone prices, but knowing Apple, they might invest that money back into more research and development. Overall, Apple's C1 modem is a big step forward. It could change how iPhones connect to the internet, boost speeds, and even bring satellite features. It looks like Apple is setting up for an exciting future.